In this video, I want to share a lottery winning technique that I have been using. I am already a lottery winner, and I'll share more about that, but I also want to focus on what I am doing specifically to win a major lottery prize. There's a difference, and I want to discuss that while giving you a practical technique you can apply right now if winning the lottery is something you want to experience. We're here to experience everything life has to offer, and the lottery is just one of those many experiences. I originally planned to do this video later, but I know that winning the lottery is something many of you are interested in, and some of you had specific questions about techniques for stepping into the version of yourself that wins the lottery. That's what I want to discuss today. This is something I am working on myself, and while my reality has not yet reflected the result I have experienced in consciousness, I thought it might be helpful to share my process. In a previous video, I talked about becoming the version of yourself that you want to be now, because you need to be that version now for reality to reflect it back. Reality always reflects back who you are in consciousness. If you want to win the lottery but haven't, it's because you are not yet assuming yourself to be that version in your consciousness. This isn't about gambling. I'm not teaching gambling. This is about using intentional and conscious awareness to create the experience you desire. Winning the lottery is just one of many infinite experiences available to you. If winning the lottery excites you and is something you desire, then it is possible for you. If you desire it, the possibility of that experience exists within that desire. Winning the lottery was always something that intrigued and excited me, but I thought it was out of reach because of my limited thinking. After embracing these teachings, I realized everything is possible. So I consciously decided to become a lottery winner. I used to play scratch-offs just for fun, not because I needed the money. I always won consistently. This happened so frequently that people at the newsagents got tired of seeing me. So I decided to manifest a bigger win, a major lottery win. Around 2021, I made the conscious decision to win a major lottery prize. I didn't care which one or where it was. I just wanted the experience. I began affirming that I am a lottery winner. After making this decision, I proceeded to win small amounts every week. I entered 2 lotteries and won at least once a week, sometimes twice, and even thrice a week for 2 months. That's why I consider myself a lottery winner, because I won consistently. However, these were minor prizes. After 2 months of consistent small wins, I realized I needed to adjust my assumption to focus on winning the major prize. When I did this, I stopped winning altogether. This was because I had negative assumptions about winning the major prize. I had to identify and change these negative assumptions. For example, I worried about disappointing others if I won, as I didn't want to be the reason others missed out. To address these negative assumptions, I wrote them down based on what my reality was reflecting back, not winning the major prize, and changed them. I affirmed that it's natural and easy for me to win the lottery, and that if I win, everyone else wins too. Frustration is a good sign that a dominant assumption is running in opposition to your desire to win the lottery. Identify and change these negative assumptions. To become a lottery winner in consciousness, you need to embody the version of yourself that has already won. Imagine the moment you realized you won the major prize. Visualize how you felt, whether you received a phone call, checked your bank account, or got the keys to a new house. Play this scene in your mind as if it's a past memory. Your brain doesn't know the difference between what it sees in reality and what it imagines. In your mind, remember the scene of winning the lottery. Replay it as if it already happened. Feel how good it felt and enjoy that feeling. Then, go about your daily activities from that state of consciousness. I know 2 people who have won major lottery prizes. One won an apartment block and had been working diligently on changing their money story. Another won $1 million after saying for years, "I just need $1 million." When someone else wins the lottery, claim their success as your own. Remember, everyone is you pushed out. If someone else wins, that's you winning in another level of reality. Claim it by saying, "I am," followed by their name, and "I am the winner of a major lottery prize." Never feel jealous or resentful of others' wins. Instead, see it as a reflection of what is possible for you. This technique involves assuming the state of the lottery winner. You are the creator of your reality, and by assuming the best for yourself and everyone around you, you can live an amazing life. Thank you for being here. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I'd love to have you. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.